So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how could you apply for Amazon Flex driver. So first, you need to download your Amazon Flex application on your mobile device, and after that, you'll be needing to open that application for you to able to access that, and then click the create an account or sign in with Amazon if you have a current account. Once you click on that one, here's what you need for you to able to become a driver on Amazon Flex. First, you need to be eligible. So basically, you need 18 years old and above, and you must have or be holder of a UK driver's license and also have a UK national insurance number and a mid-size or even a larger vehicle with 5 seats or more. Also, you have the right to work document, which is the passport or biometric resident permit. Also, you need a UK bank account and you need to pass a background check, which is email from a third party provider accurate. So after that, if you checked that or you are eligible, just click on the get started. Then enter your postcode for you to able to check if it is available on your region. And then select the days that you wanted to deliver or work on. After that, you need to input your vehicle information and then you'll be on the waiting list. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.